Top 3 tools recommended for every business analyst. Are you a business analyst looking to be more productive? Then have a look at the tools that would make your job more productive. Number 1. SWOT Analysis. Put each SWOT element in a grid and write your key strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Number 2. Trello. Most user-friendly project management software. In one glance, you can tell who's in charge of what's being worked on, and so forth. Number 3. 5 C's of marketing. Suited to identify where your business currently stands. Company, collaborator, customer, competitor, climate. Hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more.